almost to the point of being an introvert, but he does express himself incredibly when it comes to doing various kinds of roles in movies.
He might as well not aggravate his injury. That's hit firmly to long off, but won't get more than a single. Now Joy too is struggling a bit with his calf, I think. It's 86 for 2 after 9.
For 2. You can say that the required run at 15.18 is near impossible. Of course, we've seen plenty of heroics in the game. Let's see now. Sudhir bowled a very efficient over first up. Just gave 9. Oh, is that an opportunity? And finally scramble. No, that's the last thing they need. Not a run out. Yes, no, yes, no. And eventually, they have to be Jisshu who goes disaster. He's going along pretty well. The vice-captain wanted the run, then said no. And I suppose the old cliche of never running on a misfield once again takes heavy toll.
I think more than the misfield, it was yes and no between them. No communication at all. And that's a needless wicket given away. Sudhir is the bowler. Jisshu not happy with himself and perhaps not with his partner either. 86 for 3 after 9.1.
So after that needless reversal, the Bengal Tigers in a deeper hole now. Sengupta comes in, and he's here because of this this tragedy really. It could have been a catch, and of course dropped by Sudhir, who ran back and utilised the confusion between Joy and vice-captain Jisshu. Jisshu eventually sacrificing back in the pavilion. But brings Sengupta on strike.
Sengupta taking strike for the first time. Crisp, straight drive. Bengal batting has looked pretty impressive.
So yeah, there's plenty of confusion in the minds of batsmen. Oh, that could be a no ball. And certainly above waist height. That's what the umpires have to think about that. They go across for a single anyway. And yes, it is. Oh, no. No signal.
Did he or did he not? Well, it should have been a no ball. Not a very good call there by the umpire. Sudhir has got a risky run up. Sharp single will make it easily. Last delivery before we go on the halfway mark. He's hit that to long on, and it's been safely held. That's another wicket gone for Bengal Tigers. Catch taken by Rajiv.
That's a carbon Kamal catch by Rajiv. Well done. Didn't have to move too much. Full toss. Tried to go for it. Straight to long on. Didn't have to move. And pouched it pretty safely. Well done, Rajiv. You're the carbon Kamal man. The skipper's happy. Karnataka Bulldozers with another breakthrough at the end of the 10th over. 90 for 4.